You can expect a lot from the 2016 Acura MDX. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Acura infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.